So basically we have built a CRM solution for sourcing, stock management, selling and invoice, right? So AUTOSherpa is a CRM which is trusted by automotive dealers for about last 6 to 7 years, where we have built solution for service, reminder calling, insurance renewal and sales lead management. This is a newer version of platform that we have built only for used car business. So this is one of the product that we had built long back. So this is AUTOSherpa, which is used by Kun Hyundai and Trident. All top Hyundai and Maruti dealers, they use this product. This Yukoya is there now. This is the newer one which we have built very recently for used car. Now these are few clients. I'll move forward because we have shortage of time. Sir, these are few clients that we are working with. In this Trident Hyundai, they are using our used car CRM. Popular vehicles, they have signed up for used car CRM to have their customized workflow which has to be built. Advait Hyundai, they have signed up for a POC, and few other dealers we are in discussion and are in pipeline. So these are the co-founders and directors of company. We have 300 plus software developers, data analyst and support executive. Now this is important screen, sir. See, what we have built till now is a simple CRM tool to manage the workflow starting from sourcing till the invoicing. So if you see the image on the right side, starting there is a evaluation request which your team will be getting. Those evaluation requests will go and sit in the sourcing CRM. In sourcing CRM, your evaluators will update the vehicle information and the customer information and for what amount the vehicle has to be purchased. There is an agreement stage that happens. Once agreement is done, the data will go and sit in the stock, which is nothing but your stock inventory. Here there is one important change. In your Hyundai also you have an evaluation. H Promise has given the evaluation system. Here what happens, whatever number of stocks or whatever number of inquiries you want to add, that can be added here. Trident Hyundai have verification process. For an example, if a lead is added by evaluator, that lead will be qualified by a team leader. Then it will be qualified by a EDP department. If there are not interested customer, there is a separate team who will call for not interested customer and they will convert the not interested customers to active customer. Those workflows are built here in the sourcing CRM. Once everything is completed, when you have purchased the vehicle goes and sits in the stock inventory, and all the stocks what we have done, one, it will go and sit in the sales CRM that we have built especially for used car. The other thing, if you have a website of Kun Group for used car, we will be doing a API integration to have a real-time data syncing of stocks. So any customer who is going to your website, they can search the availability of vehicles. They can show the interest. Whosoever customers have shown the interest, their leads will flow back to the sales CRM. Then your sales team will call the customer, they'll give test drive to the customer, and then they will take a selling price of this vehicle. They will get the approval from the business head. In this case also, when there is a not interested customer, there is a team where the data goes to that team. They will qualify the customer again. Then once everything is done, they will book the customer. Before booking, finance or insurance is required or not, they will check, and invoicing they will do. Here in inventory, the other part that they do is refurbishment. So for each and every vehicle, what is the refurbishment cost, what parts we have put, all those entries will be added here and you will be able to get the reports. So as a business head, you will understand that as of now, how many vehicles are there in stock, what is the total purchase price, what is the refurbishment amount, what is the selling price. Now once the vehicle has gone to a ready for sale stage, where exactly the data or lead is, whether the appointment is taken for test drive for such vehicle or no one has called the customer or not, that analysis you will be able to get it. So this is on the high level that what we have built for Trident. Next level, what we are planning to do is a business WhatsApp bot, which I will be also showing to you. I have a presentation that is in the next 3 to 6 months of plan we have. Next 6 to 8 months plan, in future we are planning to build a e-commerce auction application where you can invite other dealers to do an auction for the vehicle of Kun Hyundai and then the bidding can happen, and whosoever is doing the highest bidding, the vehicle can be sold. So till here we have, so this is what the future plan, but what you're seeing on the screen we have already built. Do you have any comments on this point, sir?
No, you go ahead. You don't stop anything. You just go ahead. I'm just listening.
Okay, okay. So, okay, so I will show you the application once on high level how it works. So what you're seeing on the screen here, this is a evaluator application. So basically the evaluators will have a screen like this. They will log into the screen. They will get to see these 4 stages. Whatever inquiries that is coming, so basically in Kun Hyundai, your sales team, if they are using our AUTOSherpa sales CRM, whenever there is an exchange request, automatically the data will flow into this evaluation request. Your evaluator will call the customer and they will open the customer profile like this. So let's say I will open one dummy customer, all these are demo account, Shivam Singh. They will get to see this customer 360-degree profile. Left side they will see the customer details, right side they will see evaluation details, vehicle details, registration and insurance. All this is something that your evaluator has to capture. So once they have captured, they will do a evaluation either at the showroom or at the customer place. If they are going at the customer place, they will book an appointment for visit. If they are doing at the showroom, then they will do it as evaluation at the showroom and they will start filling the evaluation entry. So this is how the evaluation entry process will work. Below you will have to enter all the details. Now in this application, Trident have asked this information. Popular Vehicle said that we need few other informations to be added. Otherwise Hyundai said we don't need those many information, only less informations are required. So this entire forms and this screen what you are seeing, this is customizable and configurable. So this will be configured as per your business requirement. Then if the customer says there is an exchange required for a new vehicle or an old vehicle, that can be captured here. Pricing and refurbishment. What is the pricing that we have quoted to this customer for his vehicle, which is Hyundai i10? You can see this on the top. That information.
Excuse me. You see, now whatever that I think you are showing to me, it is going to be the part of the software, or it is going to be on the Windows or cloud, or how it is going to be this?
So this is a cloud. So basically we are hosting it on a cloud software.
Okay.
And in Kun Hyundai we have done on-premise installation. So they have given the server. So in used car also.
Okay. So it has to be linked in the server.
That is possible, sir.
Okay.
That is
done. Okay. You can go ahead.
All right. So now, sir, these are the information that your team will be filling. So what is the price that your evaluator has quoted? They will fill here. Any offer that is there, that offered price they can put. Customer was expecting what price they can put here. Estimated selling. So when is the customer wanting to sell his Gaadi? That information he will fill. Then for this vehicle, I have to put the registration details. So these are all the fields that is required for registration. Then your evaluator will go and upload the pictures. So they can upload the registration details, vehicle images into the system. In Trident what they do, all images they will put it in one document and they call it as overall document, and they will upload the document into the system. So next time when your evaluator open the screen, I will show you one customer where they can open. So here there is one customer where I have done the evaluation entry. They need not check the interaction history. On this first screen only they will see all the information with respect to this customer vehicle that he is planning to purchase. For an example, who was the evaluator, what kind of source it was, this was a walk-in, make, model, manufacturing year of this vehicle, transmission, CC of this vehicle, whether it is a certified vehicle or not, he can certify the vehicle. Insurance status is what he can check, because all this he has filled in the previous stages. What is the pricing of this, exchange is required or not, all these informations are there captured. Once this vehicle has gone to an agreement stage, here the workflow is different. For an example, in Trident case, how it happens, from here the data will go to a team leader. Team leader, what they will do, they will validate the information filled by the evaluator is accurate as per the registration card or the details that is uploaded by the evaluator or not. That is one level of validation. Anywhere if customer is not interested, then the team leader will call the customer and try to make that customer as interested. So how is their screen visible? I will show you their screen now. So now I am opening one TL ID. So this is a team leader ID. Team leader will have other buckets. One is the TL validation. I can open the customer here and I can check all the information. Purchase price is somewhere around 2 lakh 33 or 23 lakh, what we have put. They will check it against what? They will check it against the document that they have uploaded here. If here any problem is there now, they can correct it right over here. For an example, purchase price is actually 23 lakh, which is wrong. So what I will do, I can go here and I can edit the purchase price. Let's say purchase price for this vehicle is 6 lakh 33,000. Refurbishment is, let's say, about 5,300. Now I can click on update here, save it, and the information gets updated right over here. So this is one kind of a correction mechanism. You can see here now it is updated 6,33,000, and they are also validating whether information vehicle details is correct or not. Once this part is completed, what they will do, if there is a not interested customer, they can convert this customer into a interested and they can send it back to the evaluator. If finally customer is not interested, they will put it under lost, customer is gone. Now from TL validation, Trident has another mechanism of EDP validation. From here the data will go to a EDP department. What EDP will do? EDP also will do the same task. It's kind of a double check that they are doing. So they will call the customer and they'll get all this information checked. Once that is done, they will pass on the lead to a business head. So I will show you how the business head data will work. So basically this is the business head. So here business head will do what? So basically what business head will do? So basically business head job is to only do one thing. Whatever purchase approval he is getting, he will open the customer profile. He will check whether this information is correct or not. If this information and purchase price is okay, then he will say that okay, do the purchase entry. You can see the data will go to a purchase entry. So all purchase entry will be done by the team leader. Once team leader's purchase entry is completed, from then onwards the data will go and sit in the stock. So till now sourcing part we have done. Here what else we have done? So we have given click to call option. We can call the customer from the application. We can send a business WhatsApp message to the customer from the application. We have done the escalation mechanism. One enquiry has come, purchase entry is not done for about 5 days. Automatically one WhatsApp message will be sent to you saying that for 5 enquiries, it's been 5 days, the data follow-ups are not done on time. Something like that escalation mechanism is already present. Now I presume that you do not have any doubts in the sourcing. So I will move ahead for the refurbishment part. So this is
okay. Now actually, see the purchase. So the software has to be how that I think all the evaluators, all that they'll be keening on that. It will be on install in their mobile or it will be on the system.
Sir, both options they have, sir. They can use it in their mobile or they can do it on their system.
Okay, so these salespeople, they'll be sitting in the office, so they can at least access the system. They can have the entries all.
Exactly.
Whereas evaluators and purchase teams, so they won't be sitting in the office. They'll be always roaming here and there.
Correct.
So if there is any entry has to be uploaded, it has to be uploaded in the system. So they have to come all the way, spend time, and they have to bring the inputs.
No, sir. So they can do it in their mobile phone. Now, even in Trident, I'm giving you one example. So what they do now? So I'm opening one evaluator ID. See, assume this is a front office executive. Okay, 1 second. I'll refresh. Assume that this is a front office executive. Now front office executive or a sales team, when they are getting the data, they will go and do the add customer. So here they will tell for which evaluator the data should go. Then the evaluator will use the mobile phone and he will start doing the evaluation process.
Okay, yeah, this option is available. Okay, well and good. Okay, you can go ahead. Yeah, no problem.
Done. So now purchase entry is completed. Now it is refurbishment. So we have created one ID for refurbishment guy. Any refurbishment data which comes now, it will go and first set in a refurbishment request. Now here one small mechanism we have done. What is that? For an example, few dealers have this kind of timeline. Any vehicle which is going to my stock or for refurbishment center, max to max 3 to 5 days refurbishment should be completed. If it is not completed, one escalation WhatsApp message will be sent to the managers or a business head. That is one mechanism. How can I update the refurbishment details? I will open the customer profile. I will see here for this vehicle.
No. See, now that is the case. I think we need to input all the mobile number to get the messages, or how it will be. WhatsApp will get the message or mail.
Sir, both option we have. As of now, we are doing it on WhatsApp.
Okay, good, great, super. Okay, go ahead.
Right.
Go ahead.
So how it will happen now? You will give one mapping for us, all managers and their phone number. That will be integrated in the system. If there is no update on this data, automatically one escalation WhatsApp message will be sent. Okay. So now for this customer, na sir, 6,000 rupees is the refurbishment estimation that is put by the evaluator. Now I am a refurbishment person. So what I will do, first I will go and say, okay, what are the refurbishment cost? So here I can put. Now this is also, as per your requirement we can do. What Trident says, do not give us all the details. I will only put two things. What is the labor amount? What is the repair amount? Popular says in labor what is the amount, in repair what repair I have done, whether dent work I have done, body work I have done, parts have put or not, every details they want. So that kind of entries you can do it right over here in the system. Any number of entries that you want, we can give it over here. Now let's say I will refresh this page and I will show you again on the accessories. 7,202 rupees is the total refurbishment on this vehicle. Now for some reason the vehicle refurbishment is not completed, some part is missing. Now you are a business head, you should be knowing 5 days is over, the vehicle refurbishment is not completed. Who will update? This refurbishment person will say whether refurbishment is completed or pending. I will say it is pending. Why it is pending? Because body work is still not done. When it is completed? Sir, next week Monday it is completed. Why are there any delay? Yes, there are delay. For what reason? Parts is not available. This report also you will get to understand how many vehicles I am not able to sell it because refurbishment is not completed. For an example, assume that refurbishment is completed. So then I will tell from which service center the refurbishment was completed. I will select the service center and then I will say, boss, for this vehicle the refurbishment is completed, and I will give it to the manager who will put a selling price for this vehicle. So how will their ID work? So I will open now one manager ID here. So he is the manager or a business head. So he will see that there are about 250. This is the Kaustubh vehicle which I just opened now. I will open this customer profile. Now I can see that 9,100, 6,000 was the pricing estimation of refurbishment, but actual refurbishment is 7,202 rupees. Now I will tell this vehicle is ready to sell. What is my price? My price is 9,10,000 plus 7,000 is there. So I will say 9,60,000 we should be selling this Gadi.
Okay, no, you are talking about the pricing.
Correct.
The pricing actually, assume I want to get it clarified. Okay, the procurement team, purchase team buying one car.
Correct.
So, with the refurbishment cost, mechanical cost, all put together, taking into consideration, he is arriving on figure and is bringing and is confirming the figure.
Correct.
We are blindly accepting that amount.
Correct.
How to cross check whatever that value is given by him, it is almost close to the market or buying cost. There is you have any kind of system in that your software?
Sir, what we have is that we have not implemented this yet. Again, speaking about one of the dealer, so they have given last 3 months ka vehicle versus model versus what is the purchase price and refurbishment price. We are updating that information into the system. Whenever a evaluator is saying for this vehicle 9,10,000 is the purchase price, 6,000 rupees is the refurbishment price, in the back end report you will understand whether it is matching against your historical data or not. That's the only one check we have. So if it is matching against the historic,
then that is the case, you should have a previous record, previous data should be available in the software, then only it can be cross-checked.
Correct, but now you anyways have, na sir, in your dealership you would be having, now we have to upload it into the system, that's it.
Sure, done. Okay, yeah, okay. Please
correct,
go
na?
ahead.
Or if you have any other better idea, we can implement that, because this product is very new. We are actually planning.
To general understand. See, now maybe we know what is the market price of this product, this car.
Correct.
So, but whereas sometimes the price should not be more. The price should not be given to the above the market price.
Correct.
So something has to be have a cross check on that in the software. So well and good. I think maybe you can restrict once. I think whatever that evaluation is done, the price whatever is going to put, everything is keen on that software. Maybe I can cross check that whatever the price is given to the market price, up to the market price, or it is above the market price, whatever.
We can do one more thing, sir. Rather than doing in backend, na, whenever your evaluator says that it is a I-10 sports, na, basis the historical data, we will only give one pricing estimation saying that as per historical data, for this vehicle average pricing is 7,20,000 purchase price. Then it will be easy for your evaluator also to put their purchase price, and then you can validate.
Historical data. See, in used car market, no? Historical data, see, assume that I am buying one car, 2024 model, in 2024 itself.
Correct.
The model and variant, everything will be same. I am buying one more car in 2025, which is also 2024 model, same variant, same everything. Price wise, if you are going to see, 2024 I would have bought the price with a higher price. Whereas 2025 when buying the same product, same model, same variant, that cannot be matched with the same price because the price would have been lesser than that.
Correct.
So that I will be cross checking that on that.
Sir, see, this kind of exceptions we will have to cross check from the TL ID. Okay. Correct, na? Because in your case also, do we have any TL, sir? Team leaders, do we have?
I'll be having, but end of the day, I should have some checkpoint to check that, okay, whatever the price is quoting.
Correct. For you, report we will give, sir, because you should not be checking CRM one by one. For you, one summary report we will give. Each vehicle wise, what is the pricing estimation as per the historic data, what is your team has put, what is your team leader has put. Then you will get the clarity.
Okay.
Right. So, shall we proceed?
Go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Now, sir, you see here, I am a sales manager now. I have understood that, okay, customer 9,10,000, 6,000 is the refurbishment estimation, but actual estimation is 7,202. Even this also we will be able to identify. For an example, when your refurbishment person is entering this, mandatorily he have to also update the job card which is getting opened, because any refurbishment job card will be opened for labor and repair, that he has to update. Your invoice department also will understand whether the number that he has updated as 7,202 is as per the job card raised or not. That is one check that we have. Also, as a business head, you want to understand for this one vehicle which is i10 Sports Hyundai, total what is my investment. For an example, investment will not be only on labor and repair. Investment will be on number plate change. Investment will be on fuel change, fuel expense. Investment will be probably registration charges. All those investments can be also added into the system. How they can add? They can go here, very simple, say other expense, other, and here they will get fuel, insurance, number plate, registration, second key. This is something they have to update, and this can be updated at any time. After procurement also I can update. When I am planning to sell this vehicle also I can update. How will I update? When I am selling the Gadi? When I am selling the Gadi, test drives I will be giving. If I have given 5 test drive for this vehicle, approximately 700 to 800 rupees fuel I would have put. That fuel expense also I can put it into the system, saying that fuel expense of about 700. Then finally you will get the report. So total expenditure is not 9 lakh 10,000, it is 9 lakh 34,000 or 35,000. So once this is done, I will say this vehicle should be ready to sell at this location, one of your Kun outlet location, and I will say this vehicle is ready to sell. From here on, everything is of your sales department. Now one good part is there here. What is that? If you have your own website for used car, all the stocks what we have now with the refurbishment amount, we will not paste it on website, only the only the selling price, vehicle images, vehicle all information we can show it on real time. From your website, customer will say I am interested on this vehicle, automatically the lead will come and sit here. Where will the lead go? So I am opening one seller ID, he is the seller, so I will open here, automatically the lead will go and sit here, enquiries. From here I will call the customer. So let's say I am calling one customer name is Shashi sir only. Shashi sir will say I am looking for a Brezza vehicle. Do we have any Brezza vehicle? So what I will do, I will go and just select Brezza and I will search here. Now this will search my entire stock. Now it will tell two vehicles are there. One is ZXI, one is VDI, one is white color, another one is also white color, one is petrol and one more is diesel. Customer will say I want petrol. Now I'll see here what is the status of this vehicle. This vehicle is ready to sell, but it was allocated to some other customer. So now I cannot give this customer to Shashi Kumar because I have already given this vehicle to someone else. Now I'll tell Shashi Kumar sir, diesel vehicle is there, do you want? Why diesel vehicle is there? Because diesel vehicle is sitting in refurbishment. Now even the vehicle which are there in my refurbishment also I can tell the customer saying that sir, this vehicle is there with us, give us 5 days of time, we will be able to give this vehicle for a test drive, so that I can start capturing the customer interest. Here if it is free, then I can easily give this vehicle to the customer. For an example, let's say I-10 I will search if there is any I-10 vehicle. So there are so many I-10 vehicles here, 34 I-10 vehicles I have. Now all these I-10 vehicles are refurbishment in progress. Any vehicle which is where the progress is free, then I can straight away go and give it give this vehicle to the customer. So how will I do it? I'll go back here and I will just select this filter. Now I'll say it is qualified lead. When will the lead become qualified? As soon as customer says I'm interested in this vehicle only, I want to buy this vehicle, my budget is let's say 7 lakh or 8 lakh or 10 lakh. Here you can see the customer budget is 5 to 10 lakh. He is saying 5 lakh to 10 lakh I am looking for a vehicle. Then this is a sample vehicle I have selected as Volvo. Now I will select that okay, customer is interested. Next activity is test drive. Test drive is for home visit or showroom visit also, you will be able to understand in the report. Now once this is done, what will happen is that the data will go to a appointment bucket. From appointment I will give this data to my team leader. So here also one check mechanism is there. Team leader will check all the information entered by the sales executive is as per the customer request or not, and if they are using our click to call solution, all the recording also can be heard sir. You can see all the interaction history, recordings, everything is there in the system. Now let's say I want to allot this vehicle to the customer name is Maya Singh, let's say customer name is Mohan. I'll open Mohan customer. Mohan wants this Audi vehicle. Now I will say that go ahead and select this Audi vehicle from my stock and I will give this data to my team leader. Team leader will cross check once and she will send the data to the business head. Finally business head will say okay, for this vehicle the actual selling price was 9,40,000. This person is wanting to sell for 9,35,000, and if you are okay with that pricing, you will say okay, go ahead and book this appointment. So you will put this vehicle in appointment, approved vehicle. If you think that the vehicle selling price, negotiated selling price is not that good, so you will say boss, I will not approve. You will say it is rejected. Whichever is approved, the sales executive can do a booking for this vehicle. Once they do the booking for this vehicle, the next step is invoice. So till here sales part is completed. What invoice department will do? for each of the vehicle, whatever invoice amount, let's say booking charges of about, let's say 10,000 rupees, or the payment that the customer wants to do, these are all vehicles which are allotted. So customer's payment is pending. So once I open this, I can see customer selling price is 7,23,000. This is the vehicle here, stock Tata Nexon it is. I will go here. Negotiated selling price is 6,70,000. We have amount received is 0, balance is 0. So I will open here and I'll say, boss, payment is cash, amount is 10,000 rupees, which is he is doing a booking, and then I can say check, credit card, RTGS, finance, or other option. If he is looking for a finance, I'll say finance, type of finance is in-house or autos, and I can capture the data. Once invoicing is done, what I will do, invoice person will say this vehicle is invoiced. Once vehicle is invoiced, there is another department who will validate whether the amount received versus the selling price versus purchase price, whether it is matching or not. If it is matching, then they will push this data to a RTO bucket. So we have created one ID for RTO. That RTO executive will do what? He or she will check all the documents uploaded by at the time of purchase, and also all the document uploaded at the time of selling. If all the documents are correctly there as per the transferring of the vehicle, then they will do the transfer and she will update, or he will update in the CRM saying that for these many vehicle invoicing is completed, 5 vehicle invoice is completed, 2 vehicle transfer is also completed. Finally you will get a report, total how many vehicles were there for purchase entry, how many vehicle got refurbished, how many vehicles were ready to sell, how many vehicle test drive is completed, how many vehicle booking is completed, invoice is completed, and then RTO transfer is also completed. This is the entire system that we have built, which is live as of now. What is our future step? Shall I explain to you 2 minutes what is that we are planning to do in future also?
Please go ahead.
Okay, I'll open one presentation. I have this presentation there. Okay, so this is something that we are planning to do it in the next 3 to 6 months of time. Okay, used car, smart inventory assist. Okay, now this is something which is which I think you will like it, sir. So share my screen. Now once your team starts using our application, we will always have a ready-made stock details with the refurbishment details. What we are planning to do, we will integrate with the business WhatsApp account. That business WhatsApp account will be integrated with the AI based chatbot. How will it work? I will show you. Now all your stock vehicles informations that will be updated into our system, that is already there if you start using our system. Once that is done, images of the Gaadi also your team will have to upload it into the system. If they are using my CRM, that is also taken care of. Once that is done, we will be integrated a AI based chatbot. How this will work, you see here. This is one of the dealer example that we are giving here. Now customer will say, I want a used car under 10 lakh. System will automatically say, we do have cars under the budget. What type of car are you looking for? Customer says any type of car is okay. Now here it will show this information. One is Maruti Baleno 2017 model, 98,343 kilometers. One more is Renault Triber 2020 model, 62,000 it is there. Now customer will say, I am looking for Hyundai Verna. Then it will say, okay, Verna I am looking for. Now it will show this picture of the Verna and the price of the vehicle also will be shown. Few dealers says that do not show the price, give us the inquiry and then we will say. Few people will say that okay, show the price also, not a problem. It will say good condition, petrol with manual drive, price is 8,90,000. Would you like to book? Customer will say I want to do the booking. Now it will say thank you, one of our executive will call you shortly. Now this data only is going to our sales CRM here. So in the sales CRM automatically it will go and sit in the inquiry. It will be tagged as hot customer. You will start getting inbound leads from the business WhatsApp tool. So this is something that, sir, we are planning to do in the next 3 to 6 months of time, where this AI based bot will be introduced. So this is one thing. The other thing, later stage mein we are planning to do a auction application where we will be creating a platform for all the dealers where they can come and do the bidding. Let's say Kun Hyundai will post it. Then Kun Hyundai will say that I have 50 vehicles. You will put it for auction and you will leave it for 24 hours. Whichever dealerships are nearby, if they want to take the vehicle from you, they can do the bidding. Whoever is doing the higher bidding, they can take the vehicle from you. So these are all the things, sir, that we have planned to do.